Hello and welcome you all. Myself Manasi Ganu, and in this video we are going to go through brainstorming of the novel and its extract 4.3 Around the World in 80 Days. So let's continue on page number 201. Let's continue with characters, which is very important part of the novel. A1. Which one among the following is not a major character of the novel? Justify. Select the correct one. There are four options: Phileas Fogg, Oda, James Strand, and Jean Passepartout. Phileas Fogg is the major character of this novel. Phileas Fogg is not a minor character of the novel because this all novel deals with Phileas Fogg and his journey. He accepted the bait and or wager from his friends of a Reform Club, and this is his story how he completed his journey in 80 days and he won the wager. So he is not a minor character. Oda, she is also the major character because she met Phileas Fogg, and when she met him, from that she is with the major character means Phileas Fogg. And so this is story of Phileas Fogg and Oda, how they met each other and finally they became the happiest couple. Next is James Strand. Third option is James Strand. James Strand is only a robber of Bank of England, and he is only mentioned as he was caught by the police, he was arrested by the police. So he is a minor character, he is not a major character of the novel. Jean Passepartout was also from the chapter 1 and he was a companion of Phileas Fogg. He is with Phileas Fogg from his first day, and so he is not also a minor character. Minor character of this novel is James Strand. Now see the second question. Complete the table highlighting the various traits of the major characters in the extract. First of all, remember that this is very important question. This question will be helpful if you prepare for this question. This question will be helpful for you related with all the questions related with character. So let's start. Character. First character is Phileas Fogg. Phileas Fogg is very cool. He is courageous. He is punctual. He is generous. He is helpful, determined, confident, optimistic, eccentric, honest. He is very exact. He is not selfish, means he is altruistic, and he is very calm person. He is imperturbable. Next character is of Oda. She is the heroine of the story. She is honest. She is very caring. She is charming, grateful, kind. She is unselfish, means not selfish, and loving. Now let's see the character of Passepartout. Passepartout is also a major character of this novel. Passepartout is the servant of the main character, Phileas Fogg. He is very faithful, loyal, clever, honest, hardworking. He is very brave and repentant, means he felt sorry for his wrong deeds. Detective Fix is one of the character which played a very important role in this novel. He is determined, sneaky, self-aware, regretful, dishonest, and very stubborn person. He has a greyish shade in this novel. Now see the next question. Phileas Fogg is as cool as a cucumber, whereas Passepartout is as crazy as a loon. Explain the statement by citing some references from the extract. The meaning of this question is Phileas Fogg is very calm and cool person, and Passepartout is very crazy as a boy, as energetic lad. And we are going to explain it with the references which we have learned from these 4 chapters. First of all, let us understand that when Phileas Fogg was in prison, he was very calm. He was waiting for the perfect time to escape from there. And Passepartout, he was nervous, he was waiting for outside, and actually he was blaming himself. He was feeling very sorry for his deeds. He was repentant and he was blaming himself and cursing himself for being reason that Phileas Fogg was in prison. Later, when they get escape, Phileas Fogg was set free. He was still cool and he was still managing everything coolly, or he was managing everything calmly. But later, when they reached late, Phileas Fogg was still very cool. He was still very calm person. He was not blaming or he was not cursing Passepartout or anybody else or even Oda. He was alone. He was only sorting all his things. He was thinking that he had lost his wager, but he was calm and cool person. Passepartout, on the opposite, he was feeling very bad that Phileas Fogg had lost his wager because of him, and so he became very emotional. He was giving a lot of attention on Phileas Fogg. He was talking about him. He was talking about Phileas Fogg with Oda, and he was giving a lot of attention to Phileas Fogg with a lot of care. He proved that he is very emotional person. Secondly, Phileas Fogg is very cool when he is asking for marriage to Oda, and even when she said yes to him, when she is agree to for the marriage, he is very calm and cool. But Passepartout became very excited. He go to visit to Reverend, and he is very eager for that marriage. And when he knew that they are in time and they have won the wager, he actually kidnapped Phileas Fogg. Still, Phileas Fogg is very quiet and cool. When Phileas Fogg enters in that reform club and he proved that he had won this wager, still he is very calm and cool. He is not excited when even he had won the wager. When he had won the wager, he is very calm and cool. He is very imperturbable person. And Passepartout, when he knew that his master had lost the wager, he became very emotional, he became very sad, he started to blame himself. When his master was going to get married with Oda, he became very happy. When he knew that Phileas Fogg had won the wager, he became very happy and excited. So, with these references, we can say that Phileas Fogg is very cool and calm person, and Passepartout is a crazy person. He is very energetic person. Now see next question. Next question is, Detective Fix tried hard but could not fix the charge of robbery on Fogg. Explain the statement from the point of view of Fix. Detective Fix is a very professional person. He is with Phileas Fogg since he had started his journey, and he had a doubt that Phileas Fogg is known as very reputed person, he is known as very honorable person, but he is the true robber, and so he is going on a world tour to escape from his robbery, from his guilt. For reward, he is working hard. For reward, he is uh, creating many problems in the way of Phileas Fogg. He had even he had left no stone unturned while completing his mission. He is very focused person. He is the person who is very sneaky, who is dishonest, and though Phileas Fogg had helped him, he had paid for his fare and he had paid for everything. Fix is determined and focused. Later, he is trying very hard to arrest Phileas Fogg, and he is trying his best by getting information from Passepartout. He tried to get arrest warrant for Phileas Fogg because as Phileas Fogg was a native of England and as the case related with England, he needed the arrest warrant, and so to get arrest warrant and to arrest Phileas Fogg, he tried his best that Phileas Fogg will be on the lands which are owned by England, which are owned by England, or which are ruled by England. And so he is trying his best to make hurdle to complete his mission. But when he realizes his mistake, finally he accepts it. He is repentant too, and he is feeling very bad that he in the way of Phileas Fogg and his journey. And finally, when he realizes his mistake, he accepts it and he help Phileas Fogg. Sometimes in the middle of this novel, we feel that Detective Fix is the hero of this novel. But later on, as the story goes on, as the story moves on, we understand that he is being hurdled in the Phileas Fogg's journey. And so, this is the viewpoint of Phileas Detective Fix. He is very professional. He is doing all these things for reward only. He is very focused person. He is ready to do anything. He is sneaky and he is determined person. Now see the next question. Describe the character sketch of Oda from Fogg's point of view. From the viewpoint of Fogg, Oda, she was a very adventurous lady. She was very tough. She was very sophisticated and nice and kind lady. She was very loyal with Mr. Fogg. She was steadfast with him. She felt very grateful because Phileas Fogg and Passepartout had saved her life, and she remained grateful regarding that incident for him. She was not materialistic person. When Mr. Fogg had nothing, he had no money because he had lost his wager, and he was feeling that he had spent a lot of money in his journey, and he also had lost his wager. Still, she was ready for the marriage with Mr. Fogg. She was very caring and loving person. Mr. Fogg, when he was arrested by Detective Fix, she felt very bad, and she was crying a lot, and she was caring a lot about Phileas Fogg. She is very brave and bold enough to propose Mr. Fogg without knowing his intention or without knowing about his decision. And so, this is character sketch from the viewpoint of Phileas Fogg. Now, see on page number 202, next page. These questions are related with plot. A2, first activity is arrange the incidents in correct sequence as per their occurrence in the extract. There are 4 sentences which are related with the extract. Oda accepted Fogg's proposal of marriage. Second sentence given is, when set free, the first thing that Fogg did was he knocked Fix down. Next is, as a part of duty, Fix arrested Fogg. And last one is, at the 57th second, Fogg entered the Reform Club saloon. According to the correct sequence which occur in the extract, first sentence is, as a part of duty, Fix arrested Fogg. Second sentence is, when set free, the first thing that Fogg did was he knocked down Fix. Next sentence is, Oda accepted Fogg's proposal of marriage because she had accepted Fogg's proposal of marriage before Fogg had won the wager. And last one is, at the 57th second, Fogg entered the Reform Club saloon. Now let's continue. Next question. There is a sudden twist in the climax of the novel. Explain by citing some lines and relevant examples from the extract. So let's go through the extract. In the extract, in chapter number 34, we find that Phileas Fogg, who had accepted the bet of completing the world tour in only 80 days, he was in prison and he had only 9 hours and some time to complete his wager. But when he reached in England after being free, he reached late. It was a time of 10 minutes before 9, and so he was behindhand 5 minutes and he had lost the wager. In next chapter, we see that Phileas Fogg, who had accepted his failure and who is very quiet and cool, but he is proposed by Oda for marriage, and he sent his servant Passepartout to meet Reverend for the marriage. And in chapter number 36, there is sudden change. There is a twist in the story. In last 2 chapters, we knew that Mr. Fogg had lost his wager, he had faced the failure, and he had now accepted it. But immediately in chapter number 36, second last chapter, it is mentioned that at the end of the chapter, it is mentioned that Phileas Fogg was in time, and at the 57th second, he opened the door of the saloon and he had won the wager. This was a climax, this was a sudden change in the novel. But obviously, the readers are very curious to know about what happened and how Phileas Fogg had won that wager, because readers also get puzzled about how he had won the wager if he was late, if he had accepted that he was late. Later, in next chapter, we get the clue and we get the total explanation about what happened on that day when Phileas Fogg had sent his servant Passepartout to meet reverend, he there knew that the marriage was impossible on next day because it was Sunday, and so Passepartout learned that it was Saturday. Still, he had time to go and meet his friends in Reform Club and prove that he had completed his journey in time in 80 days, and he had actually saved one day. He was before the time, but now he had very less time, so they moved fastly. Phileas Fogg, who was very punctual and who was very well known for aware about time management, how he had made a mistake of whole day. It was very confusing question for readers also, because he was very punctual, he was very well known for his time management, he was keen about the perfect time. But it is this climax as an error of Fogg is explained as he was master calculator and nice organizer, but he hadn't considered that he was traveling towards eastwards, and how he had saved one whole day as he was traveling eastward. This sudden twist is plainly explained in that story, in that novel, and this sudden turn of events is shocking for the readers, and this is very nice end of this story. Now let's see the last question of plot. Third one. Which of the following is an appropriate reason for Phileas Fogg starting his journey around the world? There are four options. First is fellow members bet Fogg. Fogg bets his fellow members. Fogg wants to marry Oda. And last one is Fogg committed robbery. The correct answer is fellow members bet Fogg. I hope you understand the video, and I hope you understand how to deal with the question and answers related with this topic. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching my channel. Thank you for watching.